We're at a little estate sale. It's like an outside kind of pool. So the sale is also in the house.
Beautiful.
What is the height of the studio cabinet?
It's a big cupboard. Well, are we doing something?
He said, well, yeah, that's good money. He says, yeah, you want these? Yeah, I got a whole jar. He went out to the car. He bought all of them $1 for $1. And then she says, yeah, my grandmother left me this cottage out on the water. It's by North Beach. And he said, I got a date at 7 o'clock, so I got to get Chicago. So she had to get back. So after work, he said he went over there and there was 2 dumpsters full of furniture, antique furniture. He said there was a couple of antique dealers just shaking their heads. Said it had been worth several $100 had she broke it.
Yeah,
You know,
just wanted
now he got all these silver dollars
Yeah.
for $1 a piece.
So at the garage sale today, I got this box of action figures for $10. I've got a bunch of Star Wars in here. Some of them are old. This is a 1995 Darth Vader. The estate sale, I got the hammer for $2 and the C-clamp for $1. Wow, we have another big batch out here. There's those way over there.